So hi guys, it's me, Monster, and we'll be playing Badland for part 3. Wow, we're three parts in this. And I think this is the last level until we reach noon. It's called Badlander, by the way. So I think if we accomplish this, we get our reward of being a Badlander. Let's do. It's gonna be a really long series, because then there's day 1, then day 2, then Doomsday, and then Eternal Day. So yeah, that's nice. Eat them. Oh, that was close, man. That was close. Okay. Is it just me or is the world a bit greener? Ow. Oh my god, I just killed all of them. No, my buddies. They were like buddies to me. Because they were. Go. Roll. And don't think. Page. Yeah. I thought first. Ooh, man. No, that was fun. I thought for a second that slow pellet was like another buddy, and I'm like, wait, what? Then I just realized it was slow pellet. The thing I followed us because I want to get all power ups. Even though it says I. What am I saying anymore? Okay, get the small pellets. Go, man, go. Go. I haven't died so far, I think. In this level. Oh, it's getting even more greener. Why is it getting greener? Is that the sun I see? No, that looks too weird. That looks like some sort of. What do these mounds signify? What is that stuff? Why is it what? It's flashing that. Oh, they signify that you're near a tube? Hey, let's go, mates. We are a Badlander now. Let's go to the next level. I don't know what. By the way, guys, my internet is off. And so is mobile data because I don't want them ads. So, what? What is? No way. We're in. Oh my god. Look, we have to find every single mine and unsaved 20 clones. What? That sucks. Why is it called super clone? What the hell is that? What is? Oh my god, that's so many buddies. Oh, come. Okay, so 20 clones is gonna be easy. Come on, guys. Oh, that's gonna grind us up. Oh my god. No, we cannot, like, not save 20. What? What was that in the world? What? Hold up. Chainsaws? Okay, I have to there we go. Actually, pause there. I really was considering restarting the level because I wanted to save the clones. Then I realized, are we a man or a schnitzel? I realized that we're a man, not a. Why does that kill all the? Oh, okay, that was. Oh, a super clone! Come on, let's go, buddy. Oh, 2 of them, man. No way we can lose now. Oh my God, who keeps on triggering these mines? I know I'm grateful because we're. Oh, that wasn't all mines? What? What mines did we miss? We triggered every single one of them. Was there a mine like beneath the rock I didn't see? Rollerball. Rollerball? What? What the? What? What is this pig thing? Whoa, I'm rolling! I'm really rolling this time! They didn't see me They hate in another way. They hate... Okay. Okay. I think we're gonna have to just... Oh, so if you take a second one, it stops. Oh man, it's... Oh no. Oh god, no way. Oh. We have to get the rollerball. I don't care. If I have to restart the level, we have to roll, man. We have to roll. Is it? Restart level. I'm not gonna collect the second one. Or maybe it'll just go me faster if I like. Okay. What direction is that? Okay. I did it up. Oh no. Oh no. You can't escape. Oh, maybe we just have to stay absolutely still. How do you do that level? I don't. How? That's hard. How do you do that? Maybe. Is there? Oh, maybe you have to trigger the rock. Oh. Oh, okay. Now we can take 20 clones, right? I mean, there's no dangerous obstacles. Oh yeah, we're okay. Stay absolutely still. Ooh, I stay absolutely still. I say, then I realize we have to fly or we lose it. That was a close one. I almost lost the liver there. Why is it 2 mounds? What? Okay. Why are you all lighting up? I personally hate these. Nobody! Oh, that's why you're rolling. I was wondering, hey, what the hell are we rolling? Buddy, come. No, I lost it. And I lost myself too. Okay. This is a chance to save him again. Wait, maybe there's a life hack to survive. Just don't move. But that's boring. We have to... Maybe there's something good at the end. You know, like after we beat Doomsday. Oh my god. Oh, we're faster now. Huh. Maybe like this rollerball is the same as the one we took, so that's why it makes us faster. But if it's an opposite rollerball... Oh, yo, we going fast, boy. Just don't flap. Just don't flap or you'll die or something. Oh my god, I almost got obliterated by that chainsaw there. Oh! Super clone. Oh, there's one like left behind. Oh no, no way. No. No, buddies! I have to save 20 clones. Oh, those guys just were like, did you see? Stay still, comrades. Stay absolutely still, comrades. Oh, go. Hey, we got an achievement. Clown salutes you. Oh, they salute me, yay. Okay. What level is this called? Revolver. Ooh, these are coming up with cool names. I have to get that small pill. Okay, never mind. Restart. We have to collect that small pill in some way and any. No. We have to collect that small pill right there. None of you collected. What was that big thing? These fans are trying to fight us, but don't they know that we're too cool to be fought? Okay. This is how it's going to be, huh? Great. Eats. Collected a small pill, and then I just died immediately. Oh my god, these fans are trying to obliterate. What the? We just lost some. Oh my god, this is crazy. We just don't even care, man. We just roll. We just rolling faster than all the winds. Oh, okay. Finally, we died. What? No. No way. We have to restart all the way back here. No. Okay, I better not lose near the tube. Okay, then. Okay, I better not. Wow, it just killed all of them. Let's go, mate. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Come on. Where's the end? We're just going so fast. We don't even care. One more to collect. What? Why is 12 important? Okay. Oh my god, that was a very intense level. Oh, not Eternal Daydream. Okay, cool. Sticky bounce. What? That makes no sense, but okay. Wow, it's getting more greener and lush. What is that thing? Why am I? That thing sucks. Or maybe it's better in the end. Or maybe it does suck. You know what? I think we need to collect this. I just feel like it. I want to give us the option to collect our power ups, right? It means something. Just try not to get stuck to the ground or something. It has to come with some special power up, you know? Like if it's hard to like control, then it must be like having some sort of special reward. You know what I mean? Oh, it makes you resistant to chainsaws. That's a what's that? Bounty. Oh, it makes you like, then it makes you like unresistant to chainsaws. Well, that's cool reward. I've complained about that you get stuck to everything. Huh? They were bouncy now. Nice, you're a bouncing ball. Or effective with a Karar from Subnautica. Okay, I thought I started at the beginning. What are these? Like, I know one of these are bouncy and now we're extra bounce. No, forget about the slow pill then. Oh, does it make us resistant to chainsaws? Because that would be cool also. Oh, so these two things work together to balance out. Do not get the cactus, guys. Oh my god. To fight through the cactus again. We're attached to each other, right? This is a family bonding. Just use the cactus as a shield. Oh, that guy is really angry. He has 3 cactuses on him. Oh, guys, we all gotta fight through the cactus. No, no. Oh my god, these guys use the cactus. Oh, those guys back there, they use the cactus to be. Okay, guys, be sticky and stick to the chainsaws. And they all died. Yay. No, you're not. Yay. Oh, I thought I was gonna avoid the chainsaw, then I realized I got stickiness on. This level, guys, and the episode finishes. Come on, let's go, man. I am not gonna touch you. You're bad news. This rock wants me to do this, that. No, 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 no. Oh, we're entering the chamber again. No. Oh, that's impossible. We need the clones, but no, we just have to fly slow and chill. Wow. Like, fly fast and then so chill, man. How come that was easy at first and now it's hard? Oh, I'm basically doomed. Either way. Oh, I would have raged there if I died. Oh, that's nice. We can't even collect all. I mean, I pretty much lost the zone when I left that slow. Also, I'm got no one to blame by me. Let's go faster than all the Sonics in the world. Yes, let's go. Alright, yeah. So I'm gonna call this an end today. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, share the video, like, and until then, see you next time.